Hello, wonderful friends. Are you ready for a super special story today? It's a long, happy tale all about dancing, wiggling, and having the best time ever. So find a comfy spot, get ready to listen, and maybe even wiggle along in a forest green and wide where happy creatures loved to hide. Lived a little bear named Boo who loved to wiggle. Yes, it's true. He'd wiggle his nose, he'd wiggle his toes, he'd wiggle his bottom, as everyone knows. Oh, what is this feeling? He'd often declare. This joyful movement beyond all compare. Then came Pip, a bunny so bright, who loved to hop with all his might. He'd hop and skip and jump so high, beneath the big, blue, sunny sky. My legs just want to bounce and spring. He'd chirp and whistle, happily sing. This hopping, feeling light and free is the very best for little me. A graceful deer named Lily, too, loved to twirl in morning dew. She'd spin around with gentle grace, a smile upon her lovely face. A twirl, a spin, a gentle sway. She'd whisper softly through the day. It feels like flying light and grand, the prettiest movement in the land. Boo, Pip, and Lily met one day and watched each other move and play. Your wiggles are fun, said Pip with a grin. Your hops are amazing, Boo chimed right in. And Lilia, your twirls are a beautiful sight. They all agreed with pure delight. But what is this feeling, this joyful art? They wondered, each with a curious heart. Then flew down Oliver, the wise old owl, with spectacles perched and not a scowl. My dear young friends, he hooted low, the answer to your question, I know. This wonderful feeling, so grand and so free, is called dancing for all to see. It's moving your body in every way, to music or just to brighten your day. Let's have a party, a dance so grand, the happiest gathering in all the land. We'll invite our friends, both big and small, and dance together, one and all. Boo wiggled with joy, Pip hopped with glee. Lily twirled round a nearby tree. A dance party? Oh, what fun! They cheered and giggled, everyone. They sent out invites on leaves so green to every creature, big and keen. The squirrels, the foxes, the birds in the sky, all heard the news and wanted to try. The sun shone bright, the music played. A happy rhythm softly swayed. The forest clearing, lit with light, was ready for dancing day and night. First came the squirrels with bushy tails. They did quick shuffles like tiny gales. They spun and chattered with happy squeaks, dancing for hours, for days and weeks. The foxes arrived with steps so sly. They did a smooth trot beneath the sky. They dipped and glided with elegant grace, a happy smile on every face. The little birds with feathers so bright flew in circles, a beautiful sight. They chirped and fluttered, a dance in the air, without a worry, without a care. Boo wiggled his whole body with all his might. Pip hopped and bounced with pure delight. Lily twirled and swayed, so light and free, and Oliver hooted, look at them, glee. They danced together, a joyful blend, from morning's start until the end. Big steps, small steps, fast and slow. A happy, rhythmic, wonderful flow. No matter how they chose to move, each step was filled with happy groove. They laughed and smiled and felt so grand. The happiest dancers in the land. For dancing's not about being right. It's feeling happy with all your might. It's moving your body in your own way and brightening up your everyday. With friends beside you, hand in paw. Dancing breaks every single law. It brings you closer heart to heart. A brand new, joyful, happy start. The stars appeared and moon shone bright. They said goodnight with pure delight. Their bodies tired but spirits high. Beneath the vast and starry sky, they knew that dancing, free and bold, was a story that would never grow old. A way to share their happy cheer throughout the seasons, year by year. Wasn't that a fun story about dancing? Remember, you can dance anytime, anywhere, and in any way that makes you feel happy. Just move your body and let your joy shine through. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I hope you had a wonderful time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved our dancing tale, and maybe even subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.